Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Sephora Favorites Sephora holiday kits review. I have a few with me, and you know how I get excited about hauls. I have the healthy hair must-haves. This one is so, like, this is a good deal. And then I also have the Sephora Favorites Sparkly Clean set, and then I have the swipe of lip color. So if you guys want to see what are in these kits, just keep on watching. Okay, let's start with the hair must-haves. So I already know this is going to be a super popular kit during the holidays just because of the products you get in here. So you get a full size of the Amika Flash Instant Shine Mask, and then you get a bunch of good deluxe sizes from like really popular hair care brands. So let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, these are like really good gifts. Like if you're looking for like a holiday set as a present or like a birthday gift, get one of these from Sephora. Usually they'll come out in like October-ish, so it's the best time to shop. This is basically a retail value of $105 and it's only selling for $38. Like, come on. So when you open it up, it's kind of this like little swipe situation, but wow, you get all this in here. So I'm not going to go in any specific order. I'll just start from this side here. So it comes with the number 3 Olaplex Hair Perfector. So for this one right over here, I actually use this one as like a treatment. It's really good. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't even need a lot. This is a perfect way to just like check out one of Olaplex's products. Moroccan oils. I believe this is a leave-in conditioner. Yes, it is. Really good for dry hair. Like smelling it smells really good, but this is a really good size. Like if you're looking to travel, like I think the travel size is this small. Like how perfect is that? And then you also get a Way hair oil that looks like this. So you get 0.45 ounces. So the main product that really caught my eye in this was the Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. I didn't want to get the full size, but this is like the perfect travel size. But it's supposed to magically transform texture, amazing humidity, proofing powers. I love that. So you use this, use every 3 to 4 shampoos, shampoo, condition, towel dry. That is so cool. And it's so mini. Like how can, I'm a sucker for like mini cute packaging, all of that. So this Amika Instant Shine Mask, I'm gonna check how much it retails for because I'm pretty sure it's already half of this kit. Let me look it up. Amika Instant Shine. Okay, so right over here, I'm on the Sephora website. It retails for $25. So that is more than half this kit. So I'm really excited to try this out as well. And then some other goodies that we get to try the Kerastase 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. We have also the Kerastase oil. We have Bumble and Bumble's Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, to say oil mask? Invisible oil mask, I mean. I use a heat protectant for this, so I'm really excited to see how this works. Instantly infuses dry hair with moisture and nourishment. We love that. It's like a hydration set over here. And then we have Fable and Main's hair oil. So we have a good amount of like hair oils in this kit. And then the last thing is the Briosho Scalp Revival. I absolutely love this product. It gives you that like minty, like fresh out of the shower vibe. Not even vibe. Why did I say vibe? I meant like feeling. But yeah, you guys, that's like a really good set. If you need, or if you're like looking to try for any of the like Amika products, the Flash Instant Shine Mask is really good, or I've heard good things about it. $25, and then you get all these deluxe products for only $38. It is so good. So if you guys are at your local Sephora, make sure to grab the healthy hair must-haves. Hydrate, strengthen, and repair kit. Love it. All right, let's go ahead and move on. We're gonna do the Sparkly Clean Kit. So this one is supposed to be good for you, clean beauty. That's what it says, good for you, clean beauty. Okay, so it comes with 2 full sizes. We have the Tower 28 and Merit brand here that's full size, and also a Milk Makeup. Is that a shadow stick? Okay, we'll just get into it, but let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so it looks like this. Another swipe situation going on. Ooh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I love like deluxe sizes. Okay, so we're gonna start with a Tower 28. It is the Juice Bomb Tinted Lip Balm in Mix. That's what it is, a lip balm. So this is what she looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like you twist it up. I'll do a little swatch like on here. Yeah, that's the color. That is like so pretty. Should I put some on? Oh, cute. Cute. It kind of looks like the lip yum ring right now, but let me just... So this is in Mix. I'm gonna see the retail value for this real quick. So this is $14 by itself. The whole kit is what does it say? It's a $99 value, and they're only selling it for $36. So alrighty. So we have that first up there. Next we have the Ilia Fullest Volumizing Mascara in black. Okay, so I actually do have this mascara from Ilia. The only thing is that it does kind of like clump up, so I'm hoping that the deluxe size doesn't do that. When I first got this, I bought it because it does have pro vitamin B5, which is supposed to really like strengthen your lashes, and I have like no lashes, so I was looking for anything that could like actually help with like lengthening or making them stronger. So I like how they included that in there. So if like you're interested in that, you might as well grab this kit. And then we have the Merit blush, which really sold me. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry for all the noise. So the Merit is in a full size blush. It's in, it says Flush Bomb Cheek Color in Cheeky. Okay, and then you can still look at this. Do you see that? So it looks like this. That's the color. I'm just gonna like take a little bit. I'll swatch it on here too. A little more. It's not as pigmented, but like, I mean, for blush you should start with like a little bit and then build your way up. But there we go. That's pretty. I'm more into like the pink and coral blushes, so this is something I don't have, so that's pretty good. Next up is the Sape product. It is, let me see where it's at. Next up is the Sape product. This is the Glowy Super Gel Lightweight Dewy Highlighter in Star Glow. Okay, that was a long one, but this is what it looks like. I don't owe any Sape products. I want to try their like creamy bronzer, so this is like cool to have in this kit. I'm just trying to pump a little bit in there. Ooh, okay. Super lightweight, but you can see that, right? That's so pretty. This is something I would use on like the bridge of my nose, and like, you know, that is so cute. It's actually like a nice like glow within. I'll definitely be reaching for this. It has like no scent. Yeah, it has like no scent. Next up is a product from Milk. Even though it does look like a deluxe size, it's the full size. This is the Color Chalk in Hopscotch. Yes. So how does this even work? Okay, so I opened it up. This is supposed to be like a little shadow. What? I've never owned any of these, but let's swatch it up. They're like right here, and it gives you that like metallic nice finish. Oh, I love that. That would look so good on the eyelids. Do a little bit more of it I can just add on. Oh my gosh, can you see it? Yeah, that's pretty. I love this. Okay, and then let's move on to our last product in this kit, which is from Tatcha. This is the liquid silk canvas. Ooh, this is pricey, but I mean, I think it's pretty worth. I think it's worth to get the full size, but this is a great way to try it out. It is oil-free. It's featherweight protective primer, oil-free. Yes, perfect. So apply 1 pump after SPF before makeup. This is for your face and eyes. I swatch this all the time at work, so I'm just like, just try a little bit more again. It really does give you this like smooth, nice, like even base. So I think this is like perfect for like everyone. I might like this better than like the putty primer, like the other silk canvas. So yeah, that comes in. So that's basically it for this kit, the sparkly clean kit. I'm impressed. I like all these products. I feel like I'm going to use each one of them. So yeah, so let's move on to our last set, which is the Sephora Favorites Swipe of Lip Color. These are all lip products. It comes with 3 full sizes and then 2 deluxe sizes. It says $93 value and you only get it for $36. So little sneak peek. Let's go open her up. Oh my god, that sounded wrong. Let's go open it up. It literally feels like Christmas opening these sets up. Like, this is why I love these kits. Okay, so this is what it looks like. A little preview. I'll start with the Huda Beauty lip liner. This one is in Honey Beige. I think this is like a super popular one. I like their lip liners, so this is like a plus right now to have. I'll swatch a little bit right over here. It's like a really nice nude. So that's the lip liner it comes in. It's more on like the warmer like brown side. It's not too pink, which is my go-to. So we have that right there. Next up is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, which looks like this. I've been super like curious about this. I've swatched it before and it was a little bit sticky, so I don't know. I don't like when like things are like too sticky. So I'm just gonna put a little swatch on my hand. They have like a vanilla one, I think, that's just like a clear balm. And then this one has a nice like tint to it. Oh my gosh, it almost looks like that. Those two together would be fire. But yeah, put a little bit on. Oh, I like how it feels though. I'll have to give it a try, to be honest, but it smells good. It's vegan from Summer Fridays. That is cool. Yeah, and it's full size. Like, might as well get this if you're getting the full size. Next, we have this YSL lip in, what is it called? In 70. So it looks like this. I like how we get like a nice like luxury product in here too. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Oh, this one is like more on the pink side, like super out there. I would definitely use this as like an inner color when I'm doing my lip because I don't like when it's like too bright. So I don't know, but this is cute to have like in your purse and, you know, me with the packaging. So yeah. Oh, actually, I feel like this kit is gonna like sell out because of this product, and it's the Clinique Black Honey. This went viral on TikTok, so I feel like it's always sold out everywhere, but it's in this kit, so might as well get it. It looks like it's like a black color, but it's not. So when you swatch it, it gives you like that nice color right there on top. Let me step away. That color there. Sorry, my hand is full of swatches, but this is pretty. I feel like this has been like a product that's been out there, super classic. It's not something that I'm like, oh my gosh, I need. And then the last product, of course, you're gonna want like a red lippy, a staple red lip from NARS. It's in the full size in Cruella. So this is what it looks like. Let me put the Clinique one down. It's just a nice like red lip crayon. And it looks like that. Super pretty, super stunning, and super easy to apply. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. These are literally my favorite videos to make. Any like hauls, reviews, you name it. Comment down below if you want to see like the best of Sephora Favorites kit. I think that's what it's called. There's one more kit. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to check these out. I'll go ahead and link them for you because I want to put you guys on. So if you're looking for a gift, holiday, early Christmas gift, buy one of these. These are really good. They have a great selection with like literally the best products. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.